Hi, my name is Andy and welcome to my website from here in St Andrews, Scotland. You're about to discover the power of 4 new magic moves that will dramatically cut your handicap, and I'm going to show you how to do this within the next 10 seconds. So go ahead, enter your first name and email address in the boxes here, these 2 boxes here, and you'll instantly receive a 14-minute video, a report which is going to be 60 pages thick, and a 19-minute audio, and you can watch and listen to them right now. And just using this first magic move will significantly improve your handicap. So please enter your name and email address in these boxes and start improving your golf scores today. And continue watching this video to see what other golfers around the world are saying. Take care, and I'll speak to you soon.
Hi, my name's Halve. I'm from Australia, live on the Gold Coast. Great weather, fabulous lifestyle. I struggled a little bit with my golf. I'm on a handicap of 9, have now moved down to about a 6, and I suppose primarily because of the 4 magic moves to winning golf, which has really helped me. As I say, particularly in terms of the early wrist cock, I think that's really set my swing. I've been playing golf now for literally 45 years, and this is one of the best things that I've ever come across in terms of trying to change your swing a little bit. Really has worked for me, and particularly with managing to hinge my wrists a little bit more with that early takeaway.
Hi Andy, as you can tell, winter here in Canada, so we're not playing golf. Last summer I was playing in the mid-80s. Something went wrong, so I was pushing, pulling, slicing, hooking, smothering, popping the ball up. I had no idea what was going on. I went to the practice range, tried to get an idea of all I was doing. I was practicing bad habits. I ended up playing in triple digits. I was looking for a miracle and started doing some research and found your website. You suggested to do an early wrist break. Well, try it and see what happens. Well, I did, and it worked. So I got the books, started reviewing, started research. First of all, started to remove the garbage that was in my head and set up a new mindset. So I made some changes, a minor adjustment to my grip, worked on the thumb press, worked on the early wrist break, turned my left toe a little bit, and learned how to laterally slide my hip. I ended up the summer back in the 80s. I'm waiting for the new season to start. Unfortunately, I have to wait. Thank you.
Hi, my name's Mike Morris. Finally, I found something to help my golf game. I've been struggling off 16 handicap for a while, used to be down to 11, lost it a bit with old age. I've had a few lessons and not got my old swing back, mainly because I was being taught the wrong things. I've been trying out the 4 magic moves now for a while, and what I can say is it actually feels better. It feels like it fits the swing better, and I'm more confident now on the golf course. I'm hitting straighter balls, longer balls, and what's more, when it goes wrong, I know how to put it right. Hopefully it's going to get me back to a lower handicap I used to be on. I encourage anybody listening to this to have a go themselves. Good luck.